Good morning. Today is Thursday and we are headed to Wally World. We're headed to Walmart to do a curbside pickup, and we thought we'd take you guys along with us to see the process. I did make a short before on us picking up the first time for Walmart, a curbside pickup, but it's a car coming. But I would like to show, you know, again, how it looks and how the screen looks whenever you are when you get there, and how you get it and everything. So I'm just trying to show you guys. I already hit that we were on the way, so I can't show that part, but I can show you when we park and the process when they come out and put in your car and everything. So let's go.
It took 6 years to do them bridges. That's way less money.
Go and park in the designated area. I'm going to choose a number, and I'm going to show you on the screenshot how it looks. All right, we're parking in 5. So we're out here waiting for them to come and bring our groceries. We didn't order a lot. It's just some stuff to go, you know, with the truck. And you guys, it is cloudy out here and it's raining. And we didn't know. We didn't check the weather. But it's supposed to rain all day, so we are actually not going to go out today. You can go out when it rains. Not saying that you can't go out when it rains, but we're going to another city, which is sometimes iffy. And we didn't want to go, especially when it's raining like this, you know, so we didn't want to take our chances. So we may just, you know, just go out, wait and go out tomorrow. Right, babe? Yep. So today's going to be an off day on the truck. Pretty much. But for me, it's never off day. I have kids. I have to make sure their work is done. Homeschool kids at that. Make sure their work is done. Make sure everybody have something to eat. See what need to be done around the house. YouTube. So yeah, my work is never done.
I still have to come back. Well, I still have to come back later and buy. I still have to get what we need for the truck tomorrow.
Okay, well, we still got other stuff to get.
That'll be later on though.
And I need to.
Before it get dark though.
I still need to go. We ordered for the truck, and I didn't finish ordering for the house, so I had to go on Walmart. Oh, Walmart food line. So I still gotta go on the inside.
Walmart.
And we gotta pay the bill, so yeah, still gotta go in there. But we like to order sometimes most of our stuff pick up. Yeah. All right, they're coming with our stuff. Put it in the bag. How you doing? All right. We got it put inside of our little black bag. And like that is done. We only ordered like, what, 8 items? So he got them to put it in that little bag right there. We ordered that bag from Amazon. What was it, about $11? So we got to go in, like I said, Walmart. So let's go in there. Look, we're going to Walmart. Babe got on a outlet. Get run shoes, cause yeah, cause I had these. Yeah. Well, no. I guess when they throw it in there, it makes dents like that. Maybe. I don't know. I guess they went when they put it inside of the thing, they put the dents on it like that. Oh, look at the pretty tree. Headed back to the car because we did also bring my daughter's jacket back because it's too small, so I had to come back to the car anyway. Got what? Oh, I gotta get it. Yeah. Eat the bacon for the kids.
You seen this on Facebook?
I never seen that.
What?
I'm gonna get this today.
See, you want to see them?
They love this kind right here. That's why you do not come in the grocery store hungry. We haven't ate breakfast yet, and I'm looking at this ice cream, and it's calling my name. No, I want butter pecan. I settled for this for the kids too. How many of you check your eggs before you get them? I do. I do not want to be buying cracked eggs. I want them all whole before I purchase them. Gotta have my coffee. My absolute favorite. Oh, it's so good. Then it has like 10 grams of protein, 12 grams of protein. Need that. Get a bigger size jacket for Cadence. Cute winter clothes. She wants some cargo pants, and there's the bell bottom flare pants she was talking about too. And there's the brown one.
From skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans.
Now they're back to wearing baggy.
Yeah.
Bell bottom.
Yep.
And cargo.
Yep. What we used to wear back in the day. But that's it right there. All right, we're heading out of here now. We're headed to checkout so we can get out of here. Got to get the gingerbread cookies. Can't forget that.
Oh yeah, she was excited about that that Secret Santa yesterday when she found out about it. Oh okay, yeah. I ain't looked through it yet.
All right, leaving Walmart, headed to the house now, and the part I don't like is taking the groceries out. Oh, I forgot those bags. They bought. We can actually put those in and carry them in the house, right?
I got 2 bags.
So that works out because when we go to the grocery store, you already have to buy the groceries and then load it in your car, and when you get home, take it out of the car, which I'll get the man to do it, my son or my husband most of the time, and then taking it out when you get to the house. So this helps, you know, with the bags. But yeah.
All right, so yeah, today is a rainy day, and I know we've mentioned that we was going to do like 6 days back to back, but for some reason when it rained, you know, if it was like 40%, that'd be fine, but it's like 90% for the rest of the day. So whenever it rains, you know, sales are not great. Just for the average day, sales are not great when it rains. So we'll just take today off, and not off, but we'll prep and get everything we need and get ready for tomorrow, where we can continue, you know, our days. But as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, and giving us your time. That's it.
Yep.